ourselves in the presence of the Lord as we begin with an opening prayer.
Good morning! Good morning, everyone!
Good morning, boss!
Ay, panalo ako!
Wala, dito ng kante, center. Yan.
Ay, panalo yung kuko ko ha! Tingnan mo naman, wala siyang kuko.
Boss, dapat magkahawa kayo. Kunwari kayo na lang natitira sa Miss Universe.
Ay, kunyari,
Ayan.
And the Miss Universe for 2025 is Miss Universe.
Jackie Lee!
Picture po tayo.
Yes, how handsome and how beautiful you guys are. Simulan ka na ba dito? Pasensya na kayo. Naka-converge kasi siya. Mahina ang connection ng
That was the model for all of us. As a matter of fact, right now, obviously, no, we don't like to impart that kind of.
Parang, you like, dito talaga yung ano sa akin.
We are here to partner with you. We are here to grow together.
All these dreams, they're all coming true. Everything is getting better.
From the man with the plan, hand in hand.
Boss, ano kasi talaga?
Let's go, let's go, let's go, global. Global partners, we're here to guide you. We're changing lives. Global partners, we're here to serve you. Yes, it feels so right. We shall raise the flag of the Philippines. When united we thrive, we'll find every means. Welcome to our whole new world. Global partners with Filipino homes. There are investments, so many opportunities towards real progress and prosperity. You and me. Global partners, we're here to guide you. We're changing lives. Global partners, we're here to serve you. Yes, it feels so right. It'll start by the man with a plan, 'cause he knows the Filipino can. Global partner, making a difference. Global partner, it's time to celebrate. Global partner, we come together as one, and stronger we become. Filipino.
Isang kamay lang po yung gagamitin natin. Kung ano po yung dominant hand natin, yun po yung gamitin natin.
Let's eat, guys.
If the heart is always searching, can you ever find a home?
Ang hirap.
I've been looking for that someone.
But yeah, she's now nasa Davao. So I kind of have that already a relationship with your team. So it's a pleasure to be with you guys today. And thank you so much.
Ryan Salate. Si Sex Bomb Ryan, wala pa.
Sino nagusok sa lechon?
2025.
Very good ang person.
Team Darwan, Bulacan.
Very good ang person, no?
Yay! Congratulations! Okay, next, certificate of recognition. Congratulations!
Ano masasabi mo? Galing, galing.
Five, Team X Factor from Laguna! Next certificate. May papayong dito.
Sir, again, these prizes came from Habitas Development Corporation. Palakpakan natin si Boss Ali Banyara.
But anyway, of course, everybody looked so beautiful and so debonair tonight. Let's give ourselves a big hand. I think good Sunday sa Panong Party. And then sinabi nga, lahat ng nandito sa harap already won 1,000 pesos. Please! Puro pa natin sa ngayon, ha? For 7,000 pesos, Lady Love Buenaventura!
Congratulations!
10 winners ng tig 1,000 each.
Yay! Every raffle draw, you need to dance if you win. So we will practice now. So it depends on how big you want your gift.
Anong sa'yo, boss? Ano mo, exercise mo yung giling-giling mo? Pag malaki, ay, maliit lang sa kanya, ano, electric fan na parang gano'n. Kasi, microwave.
Oh, di ba?
Kailangan malaki, di ba?
TV eh. Diba?
Laki eh.
Ako nga microwave TV sa'yo.
Ganun lang.
Pag-plancha lang.
Ganun lang, no? Pagbaso, giling-giling. Giling-giling.
Ganito lang.
Wait lang eh. Dapat malaki eh, talaga.
Sabay na po ka.
Practice lang yun, di ba? Mabigat. Mabigat. Ang bigat eh, di ba? Pero sumaya, oh my God. Iba yung happiness mo, boss. Di ba ako nag-joke nun, boss? Wala mo yung sa joke. Wala mo yung joke nun, boss eh. Bukas pa yung joke eh.
Buti na alam ko kasama ko dito kasi inisip ko.
Boss Lady Lee.
Dito ka, boss, sa tapat ng Boss Jessica, dito ka dyan. Dito ka yan sa water kettle.
Best sitting sa blender.
Ano, si Jeffrey and si Boss Marilyn.
Sabi sa'yo, giling-giling mo lang eh. Ewan ko dyan.
2 more! Gigigiling ka talaga. Elaine and Jeffrey Sanchez!
Congratulations, boss. Congratulations. Grocery package.
1. Next winner na last! Wala!
Para sa muling Christmas basket.
Next winner, we have Boss Hamilton Villar! Wala!
Manibigyan lang ba?
Grabe, winner talaga siya, boss! Lady Love Buenaventura! Napapagod na siya mga
Pwede na siya mag-grocery store dun sa harap ng bahay niya. Swerte talaga ng mga Chinese.
Pang-string yan.
Pakibuhat ng mga bag kung ayaw niyo ako na mag-uuwi.
Hey, are you guys excited?
Picture tayo.
Diba? Diba?
Sino daw nanalo? Jackpot!
Tito Mom, yes, it's very good to receive. But imagine ninyo, yung sarili ninyo, next Christmas, na imbis na kayo nag-expect, kayo naman yung naninigay. It is a different feeling na you're giving.
Team Manila, Luzon. First of all, I would like to wish Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Filipinos family. And we're excited because 2026 is another year of excitement. And first, congratulations for a job well done for 2025.
Filipinos,
Practice lang yun. Eto na talaga. Ito ano to? Let us know mga boss kung ready na kayo. Alright.